Snow, snow, go away. It will with the Snow Brake by Quick Attach. The two-way hydraulic-only control provides full moldboard control in V, scoop, left and right. This plow excels in deep, heavy, wet snow that ends up frozen. When in the V position, use the blade like a spearhead. It destroys old crusty snow. Here we have the 2-inch bore by 10-inch stroke cylinders with 1 1/4 inch rods and 1 1/4 inch cylinder pins. Other great features include greasable hinge points, heavy-duty steel moldboard, bolt-on trip cutting edge, and adjustable skid shoes. The scoop position will help move snow over existing banks. This V-Plow will increase profitability, efficiency, and productivity. With warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our specialists today. You'll be glad you did.